On behalf of the team Fairfield by Marriott Visakhapatnam, I extend you a warm welcome to the Marriott commitment to clean, to ensure the comfort and safety of our guest and associate. We are focused round the clock on our health safety of our guest in terms of the arrival experience to the food and to their stay.
Safety comes first. They're sure to take care of the sanitization and the temperature check. Entering Marriott itself is a treat to your eyes. The welcoming hand gesture, Namaste, itself makes you feel welcome. Something that'll catch your eye is a Fairfield lobby, which is beautiful, where you can actually make yourself comfortable while waiting, beautiful ambience and a wonderful view with comfortable couches.
Namaste, myself Chef Rupesh from Fairfield Marriott Visakhapatnam. I am heading kitchen, leading team of chefs. Yes, now we have to talk about before COVID and after COVID. Yes, after COVID it's become very critical. Public health, food safety management in hospitality industry. Considering our guest health safety, we Marriott as a hotel company, we are following all after COVID guidelines in food safety management and serving our food to guests as per Government of India guidelines.
Fishes were always my favorite, and tawa fish, which is completely boneless.
Made in a traditionally South Indian style. This is really tender.
Is something delicious.
It's really authentic and very drool-worthy.
Fairfield by Marriott. May I get another one, please?
With the hotel, with current situations, we have identified close to 111 touch points area, which we feel are the areas which should be more in contact with the guest, and we have worked on these points to ensure the utmost safety of the guest is being taken care of it.
Coming to the dining experience, ambience here is not even a question. It's very beautiful with best lighting, each detail attended in a rich design. The cutlery given is wrapped up where the primary contact is us. Isn't that reassuring? Coming to the food, you will definitely love the food as they have totally focused on the traditional cooking.
దీనికి కావాల్సిన మేము అన్ని ప్రికాషన్స్ తీసుకుంటున్నాము. వాషింగ్ రిసీవింగ్ మెటీరియల్ వచ్చిన దగ్గర నుంచి దాన్ని 100 ppm క్లోరిన్లో దాన్ని వాష్ చేసిన తర్వాత కట్ చేసి మొదటిసారి ప్రిపరేషన్ దగ్గర నుంచి లాస్ట్ గెస్ట్ దగ్గరికి చేరినంత వరకు అన్ని 100% కోవిడ్ ప్రికాషన్స్ తీసుకొని మా టీంకి ట్రైన్ చేసి అది మీ దగ్గర డెలివరీ అయినంత వరకు మేము బాధ్యత తీసుకొని ఈ కొత్త విధానంతో ఇంకా మీకు దగ్గర అవ్వాలని చెప్పేసి మ్యారిట్ ఇండియా ఉద్దేశం.
love biryani. Really rich in taste, and I would totally recommend this. Perfectly cooked.
Who is not big a fan of this gulab jamun? The soft balls, tender, balanced sweet, hot, fluffy. Topped with shaved almonds. Simple yet beautiful.
మా రెస్టారెంట్లో ఉండే ఫ్రెష్నెస్ అండ్ సేఫ్టీ ఫుడ్ మ్యారిట్ ఆన్ వీల్స్ అనే డోర్ డెలివరీ మా మ్యారిట్ యాప్తో మీ ఇంటికి డెలివరీ చేయడానికి మేము కొత్త ఒక సిస్టంతో ఇన్నోవేటివ్ సిస్టంతో మీ దగ్గరికి వస్తున్నాము.
Mr. Rupesh, who is the magician behind this delicious food, is the head chef leading a team of 17 chefs who are very well trained. He was also awarded as the South Asia Chef Hotelier in the year 2019.
And of course, you can witness the cooking while dining. Yes, I'm talking about the live kitchen.
You got to party or an official meeting, social distancing or privacy. No worries about that. They got a special room with utmost safety precautions and super beautiful interior.
With the current pandemic situations, Marriott as a company has worked a lot to bring you the same of what you get in the hotel, the experience of our food through Marriott on Wheels to your doorstep. We follow the utmost safety and precautionary measures in terms of the food being prepared and to be delivered to your doors. Be assured that we as a team has worked a lot and will take care of your safety and health, and we look forward for welcoming you, and we look forward the situations to change back. Thank you.